Hello student, in class 10th our next topic is how to find all zeros of if few zeros are given like here there is one question, find all the zeros of 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So here two zeros are given, that is root 2 and minus root 2, and we have to find all the zeros, and the given polynomial is this. So first we have to identify the highest degree or degree of the given polynomial. What is the degree of given polynomial here? Highest degree is 4, so degree of the given polynomial is 4. Is that clear? Now how many zeros we have to find out. So we know that whatever the highest degree of the given polynomial, we are getting the same amount of zeros. Highest degree is 4, so we will get 4 zeros. Now only 2 zeros are given, so with the help of these 2 zeros we have to find other 2. So these two, with the help of these 2 zeros, first we will find out a quadratic polynomial with the help of these 2 zeros, and we have to divide the given polynomial, then we will get a quotient as a quadratic, and while factorizing that quotient we will get the other 2. Since 2 zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, so we have a factor. How we can find with the help of zeros factor? We know that while putting the value, if the value of polynomial becomes 0, that is known as zeros. So here let x is variable and r zeros is 2. So x equals to 0, and we know that we have to go reverse 2 step. How we are getting this x equals to 2 with any factor? So we have to transpose this one in LHS. So we have x minus root 2, then zeros, then only we are getting x equals to root 2 as a first 0. So similar here, x minus root 2, while transposing this root 2 in LHS side we will get minus root 2, and while transposing in LHS this minus root 2 we will get plus root 2. So we have a factor x plus root 2 and x minus root 2, and while multiplying both a minus b into a plus b, we have x square minus 2 as a factor with the help of given zeros. And now we will divide by the quadratic polynomial to the given polynomial. We will get quotient as a quadratic. Let us see the factor of given polynomial. Now we divide the polynomial by x square minus 2. So let's divide. This is our given polynomial, 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2, and our given quadratic polynomial with the help of zeros, whatever we are getting, that is x square minus 2. Let us divide. First term is x square and our requirement 2x raised to 4. So we require to multiply by 2 as a coefficient, and for the degree x square, so 2x square. While multiplying 2x square we are getting 2 1 are 2 and x raised to 4. Now further we require to multiply, so 2 2 are 4 plus minus minus, and 2 2 are 4 x square. Now we have to write with the similar exponent, not here. This is a cubic root, exponent is 3, sorry, here exponent is 3 of this variable, but here we have to write with the similar exponent. So 2x raised to 4 minus 4x square in behind the x square term. So let us subtract. We know that while subtracting we have to change the sign, so this term will be cancelled, and while subtracting here we are getting plus 4x while changing the sign, and here is minus 3x square, so we are getting only the x square. So here this term, now this is bigger exponent term, so we have to write in first minus 3x square plus x square, and the remaining part is plus 6x minus 2. Now second our requirement minus 3x cube, but here is only x square, so we need to multiply by minus sign, because minus and plus we will get minus, and exponent is 1, our coefficient is 3, so we should multiply by the 3 1 ja 3, and x cube, so here is only x square, so our requirement and need is we have to multiply by the x more term, so x. So this is 3 1 ja 3 x cube, and minus minus plus, and 3 2 ja 6, so we have to write with the similar term. And now while subtracting, this is a minus, so this become plus and this become minus, this term will be cancelled. Now this is a bigger term, so we need to write x square here, and this will be also cancelled. So x square, and the last term is minus 2. Now same, divisor and dividend is same, so we require to multiply with plus sign, and while multiplying with plus sign, plus into plus, we are getting plus x square, that is x square into 1, that is x square, plus minus minus, that is 2 1 ja 2. While changing the sign, this become plus, both will be cancelled. Thus we are getting remainder, and we know that if any divisor is divided exactly to the given polynomial, that is, it is the factor of the given polynomial, while we are getting remainder 0. Now we are getting quotient as a quadratic polynomial, and our requirement, we have to factorize this quadratic polynomial, then we will get two other 0. So while dividing, we are getting here, this is our divisor, this is our quotient, and our remainder is 0. We are getting Rx as a 0. So not, this is our division algorithm. Now we require to factorize this quotient. So let us factorize 2x square minus 3x plus 1. How we can factorize? With this, by splitting midterm. So 2 1 ja 2, and here is midterm is 3x. So let us, we have to split this midterm in such a way, multiplication of their coefficient, we have to get plus 2, and while adding we have to get minus 3x. So we have I have here splitted this term in minus 2x minus x. So while adding minus 2x and minus x, we will get 3x, and multiplication of their coefficient minus 2 and minus 1, that is 2 1 ja 2, we will get plus 2. So now from the first two and last two, we have to take common. In first two, we have I have taken common 2x, so here is x minus 1, and in the last two term I have taken common minus 1, so it becomes minus x minus 1. Now both the term are same, that is, we are doing correct in a correct way. So this is the factor of quotient. Now with the help of factor, 2x minus 1 is first factor. Let us, with while comparing with the 0, we have 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equals to, while transposing this one, this become plus 1, x equals to 1 upon 2 while cross multiplying. So this is a first zeros with the help of this factorization. Now the second one, x minus 1, while comparing with the 0, so we have x minus 1 equal to 0. Now transpose minus 1 that side, so x equals to 1. So other two zeros are x 1 and 1 upon 2. So all the zeros of given polynomial is root 2 already given, minus root 2 already given, and we have find out 1 upon 2 and 1. So this is all about how to find number of zeros when few zeros are given of any polynomial. And we know that whatever the highest degree of the given polynomial, we will get the same amount of zeros. That's it.